In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicate text fields in Foxit PDF Editor forms. If you've ever found yourself in the frustrating situation where you fill out a form and the same text appears in multiple fields without your intention, this video is for you. Let's dive into the problem and the solution together. First, launch Foxit PDF Editor and load up the PDF document you want to work on. It's important to start by ensuring you have your file open and ready, because we'll be making some immediate changes. As you open your PDF, if this issue is something you've run into before, you'll know that the problem arises due to form fields sharing the same name, which we'll address shortly. Next, navigate to the Form tab. This is where you'll find all the necessary tools to alter your document's form settings. After you've clicked on the Form tab, you'll want to enable the Fields panel or open the navigation panel dedicated to form fields. If you're wondering how to do that, just head over to the menu bar and go through View, then select Navigation Panels and finally Fields. This will pop up a panel where all your form fields get listed, making it easier to work with them. Once you have the Fields panel open, the goal is to pinpoint one of the form fields that's duplicating text. Select this field by clicking on it. If you're not entirely sure which one it is, just take an educated guess. You can adjust this as you proceed. With the field selected, right-click on it and choose Properties, or simply double-click on it for a quicker approach. Either action will bring up the Properties dialog box, presenting you with various options to inspect and modify. In the dialog box, you'll find yourself under the General tab by default. Focus your attention on the Name property. If you notice this field shares the same name as others, that's your problem right there. Duplicate field names cause the data entered into one field to appear in all fields with that name. To fix this, change the name of the field to something distinct. For instance, if it currently just says Address, rename it more specifically like Address 1 or Address 2. Consistency is key, so make sure each name is meaningful and unique to avoid confusion later on. Don't worry if it requires a bit of creativity. Clear naming conventions will save you hassle in the long run. The task involves repetition, so continue this renaming process for each field in your document where you spot this unwanted duplication. It might take a few minutes, especially for more complex forms, but it's essential to ensure a clean result. After making these adjustments, save your document. You can do this simply by going to File, then choosing Save or Save, as if you want to keep a backup of the original. Finally, test out your form. Fill in one of the changed fields and verify that other fields stay blank unless you input something directly into them. By following these steps, you'll now have a PDF form free of unwanted duplication and ready for easy, smooth use. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly fixed document.